Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the cause, unplug external keyboards, and test the built-in keys. You need to know if this is hardware or software. That determines every next step. Next, open accessibility or ease of access and disable sticky keys and filter keys so the system won't latch shift for you. Finally, remove keycaps or tilt the keyboard and blow out debris. Dirt and spilled liquid often physically hold a key down. Once done, we move to deeper software and driver checks. Once you've ruled out simple hardware issues, address drivers and software. You should open Device Manager, update or uninstall, and reinstall the keyboard driver so the OS redetects the device correctly. If the problem persists, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is causing the sticky shift behavior. Safe mode isolates system services. Also run a full antivirus scan and any keyboard diagnostic tools. Malware or remapped keys can mimic a held shift. Make sure to restart after driver changes before testing. You finish by verifying hardware replacement or performing a controlled system reset. If a specific key switch is damaged, replace the key switch or the whole keyboard. External keyboards are inexpensive for a quick test. If software changes didn't help, reset keyboard settings or use system restore to revert recent changes, but only after backing up data. Finally, if issues persist, plug in a known good external keyboard to confirm internal failure, and consider professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.